Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time when we guys had a chat and I did a review video. So after a long time I am come up with a review and as you guys know from the title, it is the new Color Bar primer, which is a oil primer. If you guys don't want to see the packaging and don't want to know the details, then I'll mention the timings from where the demo starts, so you guys can directly shift over there. So just to show you guys, this is how the packaging looks like. They have recently changed their packaging from that silver ones to this red one. This does look really pretty than the other one. And coming to the primer, it says it's a perfect selfie primer oil. Especially primer oils are used which have for the people which have really dry skin, and as you guys know, I have really dry skin, so I would really I was really interested to try this one. And I've been using Color Bar primers since the beginning. If you're following me, you guys know that I've been using it since the beginning and I really like it. It works well with every skin type, and it is a very pore blurring primer. It works very good with all the any foundation, so that's the best part. So I was really interested to try this one and see if this works really good or not. So as it says, it's a selfie primer. Also it says, let me just read what it says on the packaging. This is a hydrating and firming primer oil that focuses on protecting your skin type from blue light exposure and providing long lasting makeup results. So this is a primer which also protects your skin and give you a very smooth base. So I am currently wearing it and my makeup has turned out beautiful on this. And I have I was trying it for a couple of times because before doing it the review to see how it actually works, and I am really impressed with its result. It is long lasting. It makes your makeup last really long. I wore my makeup for around 10 to 12 hours and it did not budge at all. My makeup did not crack at all on the laugh lines or on the fine lines. It did not give me any dryness, any patches, not even the oil. Sometimes my nose tends to get oily with time, but it was not that with this primer. I think even the oily skin type people can use it in winters, and even in summers it was not too heavy on put onto the skin. And if we look at its ingredients, it's paraben free. It also has a digital protector which protects you from all the rays which we are getting from the screens or lights or sunlight. So this is very good. I love makeup products which come with skincare as well, so this is a pro for this. This is how the inner packaging looks like. It's kind of different from the general packaging which we get. It has this little pump over here. You can just open it up and it's a dropper form, and the dropper is of very good quality. Sometimes we see that the product doesn't comes out or it doesn't hold, but that is not the issue. And this is a glass bottle, so not so travel friendly. If you are a little messy type of a person, I'm very careful when I'm packaging my makeup or skincare during traveling. So but it's a glass bottle, it might break, so not travel friendly as such, but it's a great primer if I've used. So I'm not gonna waste, or I'm not gonna do a lot of chit chat, so let's just get into the demo. I'm just gonna take a couple of pumps from this. Okay, it hasn't really come out. Okay, so as I mentioned, I have only used a little very light moisturizer. I'm not using my general facial oils which I use before my makeup. So let's see how my foundation is gonna stay on this one. It has become a little less, so I'm just gonna massage it on my face, and it is not that sticky, that oiliness is not there, but it's really good and I can feel the hydration. And it's like I'm putting it has a very light consistency, which I am liking, because I don't like those heavy, sticky, oily primers or oils. The thing should get really smooths your skin and should not, although primers, some of very good primers have that sticky quality, but I'm liking it has got really it has got absorbed, or I can say really massage into my skin really quickly. It's all set now. Let me just zoom in and show you guys how my skin is looking. I can feel that it has smoothed my skin. I can't feel the bumps. It's giving me really smooth finish. I can feel that smoothness. But I'm just gonna zoom you guys in and see how my skin is looking right now. So if you guys can see, it has really reduced the size of my pores on my nose. It is my nose is looking really smooth, and over this side as well, it has covered up my pores really nicely. So going on with the foundation, I'm going to use generally primers and base product work well if they are from the same brand, because they are made like that. So I'm not going to use a Colorbar foundation. I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me, because the other Colorbar primer which I use generally goes really well with the Fit Me foundation. So let's see how it's gonna work out with this one. So I've just taken 2 pumps, gonna warm it up on my palm, and first I'm just dotting it up. The shade I'm using is 220. It is a perfect match for my skin tone, although it might be looking light to you guys on the screen. That is because of the lights. I'm still figuring out how the best lighting method. So let's see. So I am also taking my foundation due to neck. If you can see, my face, neck and my rest of the body color differs. My face and neck are 2 to 3 shades darker than my body color, than my body shape shade, sorry. So yeah, this is a technique. So whenever I am choosing a foundation, I face a real hard time. So I see whenever I am wearing something which is gonna expose my body parts, I go a 2 to 3 lighter shade of foundations, and in case they're not gonna look up, then I only wear a foundation which is of my perfect shade. Well, this info is not relevant to this video actually, but I'm gonna make a video on foundations 101. I realize that there are a lot of people who are looking for guidance, and who are wondering which foundation to buy, which things to buy, and I'm receiving a lot of messages from you guys. So I really like that. Keep on messaging me. You can send me DM on Instagram, or can message me under my YouTube video as a comment, and that really helps me get an idea what you guys want to see as in content, in terms of content. So it's really nice. Okay, so I have blended my foundation completely. Let me see from the close-up how it is looking. Okay, so it has helped to blend my foundation really well. I'm just thinking to go over with one more layer of foundation, because I can still see a little more coverage is required around my mouth. So I'm taking the same foundation. Whatever is left, till now I am liking the primer. It has made my foundation look although this is a matte foundation, but it is giving me a really nice glow. That is because of this primer. This is a review video. This is the second time I'm using it, so I know how it works. The first time I used it and I wore my makeup for around 8 to 10 hours and it did not budge at all. So I really like this foundation and thought to do a complete review for you guys, so you guys can see yourself how it works, how it actually looks like. So yeah, so I'm done with my foundation. I'm not putting up any concealer or anything right now, so I'm just gonna show you guys again a close-up how my skin is looking right now. If you guys can see, it has given me a really nice glow. It has not hampered the coverage of the foundation, and it has clearly, if you can see, it looks airbrushed. My face from here is completely looking airbrushed. So now I'm just gonna complete the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna put up concealer, bronzer and blush on and do my eye makeup, and I'll be back and then we'll discuss the final reviews, pros and cons of this foundation. I'm back after doing full face of my makeup. I have put in a lot of concealer, blush and bronzer, and every product has settled so well on my foundation. It looks so flawless, as you guys can see. I am totally loving it. So I forgot to mention one point. So this primer is priced at $9.50, which is quite affordable given the price of affordable makeup which we are getting. And also currently Colorbar is running monsoon discount, and so you can get a good hand over this primer. Also you can use my affiliate code which is mentioned in the description box, and you can get extra 20% off on any products from the Colorbar website. So do use it and use the benefits of that. Coming to the final pros and cons, if you look at the pro, it is good for both skin types, dry and oily. It protects you from the sun rays. It is a very good, it creates a very good base for your makeup. All the products settle very well. I will call it inexpensive, because if you look at the primers in the market and which comes with these effects, which is making your face poreless and making your foundation or makeup stay long, so this is very affordable at that price. And it's available everywhere. Availability is not the issue. You can order online, on Nykaa, on Colabar's website, and in offline stores as well. So these are 5 pros. And if I look at the con, the only con I can see right now is its glass packaging, which is not that travel friendly. So I think it's 5 against 1. It's a total win, I would say. So if you are a dry skin type like me, you can use it you can use it round the year. Or if you are a little oily skin, I would suggest you to give it a try. It's not gonna oil your skin. If you can see, my face is glowing from here, but I have put on powder under my eyes and on my T-zone, and it is completely matte. And it, as I mentioned, that it doesn't brings up that oil with time. So you can definitely try it. If not summers, it will work really good in winters for you guys. So this was it from my side. I hope you like this review, and do not miss to subscribe to my channel and give a like to this video. Take care. Bye bye.